Hello snowflake Facebook friend, I see you're all upset again. You riot when you do not get your way. Where was your dumbass on election day? And now you scream because you couldn't stop the Trump train, and you're to blame. And it's the sound of snowflakes. They got restless bit syndrome when they lost their Obama phones, when all the food stamps are depleted and all the losers have retreated. Even the Mexicans are heading back across the border tonight to run and hide under a pile of cornflakes. It's my body, it's my choice to murder baby girls and boys. If we found microbes on Mars this morn, they call it life while they kill the unborn. But speaking strictly scientifically, if cells can reproduce, it's alive, and that's no lie. Don't you dare disturb the sound of snowflakes.